G'day, wildlife enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of ducks. Ducks might seem common, but don't be fooled. These feathered friends are full of surprises. From their waddling walks to their quirky quacks, ducks bring a smile to our faces. But there's more to them than meets the eye. Ducks are incredibly adaptable, thriving in all sorts of environments. They have unique ways of finding food and raising their young. Get ready to uncover the secrets of these amazing creatures. Ducks are found all over the world, except for Antarctica. They love water and feel right at home in wetlands, lakes, rivers, and even your local park pond. Some ducks prefer freshwater habitats, while others enjoy the salty air of coastal areas. No matter where they live, ducks need access to water for swimming, bathing, and finding yummy snacks. Ducks build their nests near water, often hidden among reeds or tall grasses. They line their nests with soft down feathers to keep their eggs warm and cozy. Ducks are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet changes depending on the season and what's available in their habitat. They use their sensitive bills to strain food from the water. Tiny plates in their bills, called lamellae, help them filter out small insects, seeds, and plants. Ducks also enjoy munching on aquatic plants, grasses, and grains. Some ducks even eat small fish, tadpoles, and snails. Ducks are very social creatures, often found in large flocks called paddling. These flocks provide safety in numbers and help them find the best feeding spots. Ducks communicate with each other through a variety of quacks, whistles, and head bobs. Each sound has a different meaning, from warning calls to courtship displays. Within a flock, there's a pecking order, with dominant ducks leading the way. But don't worry, ducks are generally peaceful and playful birds. A duck's day begins at dawn. As the first light of the morning breaks through the horizon, the world starts to wake up, and so do the ducks. The serene stillness of the early morning is punctuated by the gentle quacks and the rustling of feathers as these birds prepare for the day ahead. As the sun rises, they wake up and start preening their feathers. This ritual is not just about looking good, it's a vital part of their daily routine. Preening helps to keep their feathers in top condition, ensuring they remain clean and waterproof. Ducks have a special gland near the base of their tail that produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to keep them waterproof, which is crucial for their survival. Keeping their feathers clean and waterproof is essential for ducks. Without this meticulous grooming, their feathers would become waterlogged, making it difficult for them to stay afloat and maintain their body temperature. This process also helps to remove parasites and align the feathers for optimal insulation and buoyancy. After a morning bath, it's time for breakfast. Ducks are opportunistic feeders, and their diet can vary widely depending on their habitat. They might feast on aquatic plants, small fish, insects, and even algae. The morning meal is crucial as it provides the energy they need to stay active throughout the day. Ducks spend a good portion of their day foraging for food. This activity is not just about sustenance, it's also a social event. Ducks often forage in groups, which provides safety in numbers and increases their chances of finding food. They communicate with each other through a series of quacks and body language, coordinating their movements and alerting each other to potential dangers. They'll dabble in the water, graze on land, and explore every nook and cranny of their environment in search of a meal. Dabbling involves tipping forward in the water to reach plants and small creatures just below the surface. On land, they might graze on grasses, seeds, and even small invertebrates, and even tip over to reach submerged plants. This behavior, known as upending, allows them to access food that other birds might miss. It's a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. When the sun gets too hot, ducks seek shade and rest near the water's edge. The midday sun can be harsh, and finding a cool, shaded spot helps them to regulate their body temperature. They might find shelter under trees, bushes, or even tall grasses. They might even take a nap, tucking their head under their wing. This position not only provides comfort, but also helps to conserve body heat. Ducks are always alert, even when resting, ready to respond to any potential threats. As the day progresses, they'll repeat these activities, maintaining a delicate balance between feeding, grooming, and resting, until the sun sets and it's time to settle down for the night. Section 6. Family Matters. Duck Dynasty in action. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of ducks and their family dynamics. Ducks are not just simple creatures floating on water. They have intricate behaviors and social structures that are truly captivating. During the breeding season, male ducks go to great lengths to attract females with their elaborate courtship displays. These displays are a combination of visual and auditory signals designed to catch the attention of potential mates. They'll puff up their chests, shake their heads, and make soft whistles. These behaviors are not just random. Each movement and sound has a specific purpose in the courtship ritual. The puffing of the chest makes the male appear larger and more dominant, while the head shaking and soft whistles are meant to show off his vitality and health. Once paired, the female duck lays a clutch of eggs in her nest. The nest is usually well hidden to protect it from predators. The number of eggs can vary, but a typical clutch consists of about 8 to 12 eggs. She diligently incubates the eggs, keeping them warm until they hatch. This period of incubation can last anywhere from 25 to 30 days, depending on the species. During this time, the female rarely leaves the nest, only doing so to feed and drink. Ducklings are precocial, meaning they're born covered in down and able to walk and swim soon after hatching. This is a crucial survival trait, as it allows them to quickly follow their mother to water, where they are safer from land-based predators. The mother duck fiercely protects her ducklings, always keeping a watchful eye out for danger. She leads them to food sources and teaches them essential survival skills. Teaching them how to find food and avoid danger is a full-time job. The ducklings learn to forage for insects, plants, and small fish. They also learn to recognize and avoid potential threats, such as predators and human disturbances. This period of learning and growth is critical for their survival and development into independent adults. Command: currently the VO is 89 words long. Please expand it to be 340 words long. Section 7. Ducks of a feather. Interesting duck facts. Did you know that ducks have amazing eyesight? They can see almost 360 degrees around them, helping them spot predators and find food. And here's a cool fact. Ducks sleep with one eye open. One half of their brain rests while the other stays alert, allowing them to react quickly to any disturbances. Ducks also have an incredible sense of direction. They can navigate long distances during migration, using the stars and Earth's magnetic field as their guide. Section 8. Ducktales, myths, and legends from around the world. Ducks have played a significant role in mythology and folklore throughout history. In some cultures, ducks symbolize good luck, prosperity, and new beginnings. In Native American stories, ducks are often seen as messengers between the physical and spiritual worlds. They represent resourcefulness, adaptability, and the importance of community. From ancient fables to modern children's books, ducks continue to capture our imaginations with their endearing qualities and fascinating behaviors. Section 9. Why ducks matter. Their role in keeping things balanced. Ducks are essential members of their ecosystems. They inhabit a variety of environments, from serene ponds and bustling wetlands to urban parks and rural fields. Their presence is a testament to the health of these habitats. One of the critical roles ducks play is in controlling insect populations. By consuming a wide range of insects, they help keep these populations in check, preventing overpopulation and the potential spread of diseases. Ducks also forage for small creatures in the water, contributing to the balance of aquatic ecosystems. Additionally, ducks contribute to the dispersal of seeds. As they move from one place to another, seeds get attached to their feathers or are excreted in their droppings, aiding in plant propagation. Their droppings also act as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth in gardens, fields, and parks. Ducks are a vital part of the food web. They serve as an important food source for larger predators, such as foxes, hawks, and owls. These predators rely on ducks for sustenance, and their hunting activities help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. The presence of these predators is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, and their interactions with ducks are a natural part of the ecological cycle. By supporting duck populations, we indirectly support these predators and the overall health of the environment. The presence of ducks indicates a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Ducks thrive in environments where water quality is good, vegetation is abundant, and there is a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Their presence is a positive indicator of environmental health. By appreciating and protecting ducks, we contribute to the well-being of our planet's biodiversity. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving duck habitats benefit a wide range of species and help maintain the natural balance. Engaging in activities like birdwatching, supporting conservation organizations, and educating others about the importance of ducks can make a significant difference. So next time you see a duck, take a moment to admire its beauty and remember its importance in the web of life. Each duck you see is a reminder of the intricate connections that sustain our natural world. By valuing and protecting these remarkable birds, we play a part in preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems for future generations.